my name is Davis and welcome back to another video, and today we are here for another severe weather breakdown. Now today we're going to be talking about this ongoing storm that's going to bring severe potential to a certain portion of the United States and a severe weather event that's going to be coming early next week that will be very significant and possibly the biggest of spring. So let's go ahead and get right into it. Starting off with the Storm Prediction Center outlook for today, where we have a marginal risk of severe weather for portions of the Ohio Valley. This is driven by a wind and hail threat, alright? If you're in this brown area today, then you have a 5% chance to see wind gusts of 60 miles per hour or higher in your town. And if you're in this brown area today, then you're going to have a 5% chance to see hail of 1 inch or larger in your town. Moving on to tomorrow, we have a marginal risk of severe weather extending all the way from portions of northeast Kansas and southeast Nebraska all the way back into West Virginia here, alright? Now, tornado threat for tomorrow, if you're in this green area, you're going to have a 2% chance to see a tornado in your town, so have a tornado action plan in place. Damaging wind threat for tomorrow, if you're in that brown area, you're going to have a 5% chance to see wind gusts of 60 miles per hour or higher in your town tomorrow. And then if you're in this brown area tomorrow, then you're going to have a 5% chance to see hail of 1 inch or larger tomorrow in your town, okay? So this is likely going to be a more minor event, but it's still going to be all hazards in place, so please do be aware of that. Now, going into Monday, this is where things really get a huge uptick. We have an enhanced risk of severe weather for portions of Oklahoma, Arkansas, Missouri, and Kansas. And we switch it over to the probabilities. We see we even have a hatched risk already. It is not common that we get a day 3 enhanced hatched risk of severe weather. So areas in Oklahoma, Kansas, Arkansas, and Missouri really need to be watching out there on Monday. Going into Tuesday, we have a day 4 slight risk of severe weather for portions of the Deep South going into the Tennessee and Ohio valleys. Okay, so look out for that as well. Moving on to what the models are showing for these storms, we see that right now we've got a lot of moisture chilling out here in the central United States, and then also some moisture in the western United States. Now, that moisture in the western United States is actually going to kind of turn into our storm here, and by Sunday morning, we are going to be looking at some storms popping off in portions of Nebraska and Missouri possibly. Going into Sunday afternoon, things are a little bit more chill. Again, this is going to be our day that's kind of the lower severe threat. But going into Monday here, all right, this is the big day, right? We start to see some isolated supercells pop off in portions of Oklahoma, Kansas, Missouri, Arkansas, even stretching back into like Illinois, Indiana. And these are going to cause huge problems in terms of damaging winds, large hail, and tornadoes on Monday. I mean, just look at that radar presentation. We do have a lot of discrete isolated cells, and those are the ones that are likely going to produce our tornadoes. Those will move off to the east and impact portions of the Ohio Valley, so look out there on Tuesday. Finally, watches, warnings, and advisories. Really calm right now, all right? We got some winter storm warnings out in the western United States, even a flash flood warning for Los Angeles, so don't drive in flooded roadways. But other than that, pretty calm right now. So if you guys did enjoy this video, make sure to like and subscribe. Remember, the big day we're watching is Monday, so stay weather aware, and I'll see you all in the next one. Peace.